My name is Lydia Rice. I am the Director of eCommerce and Digital Marketing with TIPCO Technologies. TIPCO is a value-add fluid conveyance distributor with currently 35 locations nationwide. When we approach our data standards as an organization, we strictly follow the governing body industry standards for hose safety data, which is stamped, size, temperature, application, material, pressure, ends, and delivery. When sourcing data from the IDCO CX1 PIM, we look for data that fills in those requirements because that's what customers, our teams, anyone has industry knowledge of fluid conveyance products is going to look to see if the product data, fills in those requirements. So we found that the data from the IDCO PIM is clean, reliable, consistent, because it's coming from our manufacturer partners through IDCO. To Unilog, being enriched and normalized, so all of our filters and our attributes make sense on the website, and provides that clean, consistent customer experience on the TIPCO website. Efficiency is the name of the game right now when you're scaling like TIPCO is scaling. We're onboarding a lot of new operating companies with new product data from suppliers that legacy TIPCO in the Mid-Atlantic might have not worked with previously. So being able to go to the IDCO PIM and source that data and trust the data, quickly pull it in with a pretty lean team, has been just of the utmost importance for our scalability and our speed to market, getting our new operating companies onboarded onto the TIPCO eStore with the data that like I said, people's relationship to you is the data that the products they know and having the data there for them. So having it all consistent, onboarded onto the TIPCO eStore has made it a lot more effective. To the IDCO community and those hesitant about using the product data, hesitant about entering into the world of e-commerce, the best thing to do is just start and just dive into the journey. Dedicate the project to someone on your team that has the bandwidth to start learning the CX1 PIM data, finding use cases for it, even if those use cases are not e-commerce. There's millions of applications for the product data and how it can serve your teams, your customers, support different projects within your organization before you consider yourself ready for the next step of e-commerce or AI or different use cases for that data. So my advice is just get started. Just dive in and start utilizing it for what works best for your organization.